Hey Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Trackies, please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Trackies, Julian runs 9.99 seconds. Absolutely ridiculous. Well, no, not really, but I am super happy. You know what I mean? Trackies, he becomes our eighth man this season that has dipped into sub 10. Yes, we have a reason to cheer. Trackies, we are back on the rise in the short sprints, and now we're seeing a plethora of young men, dipping into sub 10. And Julian now has joined that ranks this season for 2023, running a season's best 9.99 seconds. Trackies, now this is crazy. Now, again, he had a great start in his race, and check his pickup, really really good as well, and he held that through straight throughout the end of the racetrack. Is again solid run from him. And you know what they've been saying, this is a relatively slow track, so if this slow and him run 9.99, what could he have possibly gone? Maybe a 9.95 or closer to 9.8. You never know, you know what I mean, trackies. But anyway, I'm really excited for Julian Forte. Taking second place in this race was Rohan Watson. I had him winning originally, but he finished second, 10.03 seconds. Trackies, again, he has been very consistent since busting out in a big beige style at our trials. I'm excited for him as well. Again, when I think about what MVP is doing, what these runs really mean, it's just a training run. I'm excited for the future, the world championships, the medal hopes, the medal prospects. I am over the moon. I don't even want to get into talking about that 4x1 relay just yet, but still, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Julian Forte, 9.99 seconds. Did you see him running so fast this season? A lot of people did have him running sub 10 this season. It didn't really work out for him, at the trials. Everything just went wrong there. But, clearly he's a man on a mission and doing big things, right now. Sound off, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.